Hello everyone, myself Anupama and I would like to welcome you all. So today I am going to share some of the important Vastu tips and let you know how to select the right plot for any type of construction as per Vastu in a very simple and easy way. It is very important to select the right plot in order to lay the foundation of a home so that it would invite positive energy to your home. So if any one of you are planning to purchase a plot in future, then I hope this video will be very helpful. So what are the key points to be noted while selecting a right plot for the construction? So that are plot slope, plot shape, plot vibration, soil quality, roads, cut and extension. So today we will be discussing about the soil quality and how we can analyze it. एक प्लॉट कंस्ट्रक्शन करने के लिए उचित है कि नहीं, ये उसके सॉइल क्वालिटी के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. तो कोई भी प्लॉट लेने से पहले उसका सॉइल क्वालिटी को जांचना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. So don't ignore the soil quality before purchasing any land. So as per Vastu Shastra, different methods to analyze the soil quality of a plot. Two simple methods for soil analysis are soil test and water test. And the best thing is that we don't need an expert or consultant to perform this test. Everybody can perform it very easily. In soil test, first of all clean the surface, then dig a wheat pit on the ground that should be of 2 feet length, 2 feet width and 2 feet depth. Excavate all the soils and create a pit. Now fill back the hollow pit using the same excavated soil. If even after filling the pit completely, some soil remains, then land is considered to be the best for construction. And it is considered that the soil has a good level of density and moisture. And if no soil remains after filling the pit, such land is said to be medium standard according to Vastu. And if after filling the pit no soil remains and the pit is still not completely filled, then such land is considered to be very low quality and is not fit for any type of construction. Such sand is considered to have low level of density and the soil may be dry, loose and sandy. Water test. Similarly to soil test, dig a hollow pit of 2 foot length, 2 feet width and 2 feet depth and fill it with water. And then walk 100 steps towards the north direction and come back. If the water levels remain the same, then it is considered to be the best soil for house construction. And if there is some reduction in water level, then the soil or that piece of land is considered to be of medium quality. In such cases, one might have to face a water storage in the future. And if there is no water left in the pit and cracks occur on the pit, then the pit is considered to be a land of very inferior quality and is not suitable for any type of construction. And such type of land is very dry and there is no water or moisture in the soil. Apart from that, while digging the soil, if you found termites, worm, large stones, then such kind of land should be avoided. With the help of this test, you can decide whether the plot is suitable or not for any type of construction. If you have any questions or queries related to this topic and if you have any suggestion for this video, then please do comment in the section below. And if you are new to this channel, then do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Till then, take care everyone. Happy living.